Hi, I'm Thomas from Claap, and in this video I will walk you through the design testing playbook. Product teams typically leverage design testing to validate a product design with end users and understand the value of a new or improved feature before releasing it to the market. This playbook will show you how to use async video collaboration with Claap to get this feedback from your users without requiring them to jump on a call with you. Step 1 is to share some context. Start your recording by providing some background information about the problem you are solving, as well as your rationale for the feature or the improvements you will be presenting. Explain what exactly you will show in your recording, and when and how your users can contribute. This is a video where Sean, our product designer, is looking for some user feedback on some improvements to our inbox feature at Claap. He created a few slides to first give some context about why we were thinking about redesigning our inbox page. He's summarizing some of the user requests we've been getting and some of the functional limitations we want to address. He also mentioned in the description of the Claap that he added some polls to facilitate user feedback and save some time for the users who will be watching this. He then starts to walk through the mockups. In order to receive some relevant and actionable feedback from your users, you need to be clear on your asks in your recording. Use in-context feedback and polls to ask two types of questions. You can be looking for some general feedback about the problem and whether the new feature proposed addresses it. And you can be asking your users to vote on different UX or UI design options. Back in Sean's recording, you can see how he navigates through the mockups, explaining details along the way. And at this moment in the video, he's using a poll to ask for general appreciation. And later on, he's using a poll combined with in-context feedback to ask for a more specific question about this part of the feature. Step 3 is to share your video and engage directly with your users as they start responding to your questions and perhaps even adding their own suggestions as comments. Sean shared this recording to users by providing a direct link or using the share menu. And at any time, he can see who has watched the video and when. As you can see here, users responded to one of Sean's questions and are adding more context and details in a thread, exchanging with him directly. This in turn will help Sean make the right decision on the feature. Some power users have a clear idea about what they need and what they don't need. Note here, for example, that one of our power users gave some direct feedback on another aspect of the feature. Exposing our prototypes in advance lets our users share their views in context. It often helps us identify points we didn't even expect in the first place. In fact, one of our most visible design changes actually came from such community feedback. So there you go. Try to use Claap for your next feature design testing and let us know how it went.